And your gallon of milk should be bigger than your liter of pop, 2 liters of pop. So we're going to go ahead and go with gallons. All right? So I hope that helps. And hopefully there's no problems getting this uploaded, so I will catch you guys later. Alright, so we are going to, now that I have my big whiteboard, change 600 centimeters to meters. So I looked at the top of that sheet and found the rule. So to change centimeters to meters, and that's what our M stands for, cm, centimeters, meters is M, we're going to divide by 100. So I took our original number, 600, divided by 100 to get 6 meters. Now, whenever I'm actually doing my math, I like to drop my units out so that way I don't accidentally assume it's a variable or that I wrote a number funky. So if you want to, by all means, when you're doing your math, drop the units out. Alright, so now we're going to look at weight in customary units, and this is the same thing we just did with our length, with metric, but we're just changing up the weight. So once again, it kind of gives you this little guide at the top, so it's like having your notes with you. So we're going to work through a problem. So let me switch over to my whiteboard, and I will see you here in a second. Alright, so now we're back in business. So we are going to do 48 ounces to pounds, and LB is pounds. I know it's a little funky, but just remember, LB pounds. So I looked at our little handy-dandy sheet. 16 ounces is 1 pound. So I went ahead and divided 48 using my, what we know, 16, and we get 3 pounds. All right? So let's jump on over to weight with metric. And once again, we have our little handy-dandy reference sheet at the top. And once again, like with the length, you typically find these online or in your math book. Don't be afraid to go out there and hunt for those resources. Alright? So let's go ahead and do one. Once again, let me switch over to my whiteboard. Hang on. So now we're going to change 3 kilograms and we're going to grams. So I used our little handy-dandy sheet. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So I multiplied 3 times 1,000 to get 3,000 grams. Now you're not always going to multiply. It depends on if you're going from big to small, small to big. And that's going to tell you what you need to do.